Understanding autism, or autism spectrum disorder (ASD), is a lifelong condition that affects how a person communicates, behaves, and interacts with others. It's called a spectrum because the signs and severity can vary greatly from person to person. Some may need significant support, while others live independently. Autism is not a disease, a mental illness, or caused by poor parenting. It is also not linked to vaccines. It is a result of differences in brain development, and no one is to blame for it. The signs of autism usually appear before the age of 3. Parents may notice that their child avoids eye contact, doesn't respond to their name, speaks later than others, or repeats words. Children with autism might play alone, struggle to understand others' emotions, or show repetitive behaviors like hand flapping or rocking. Some may be extremely sensitive to lights, sounds, or textures, while others seem unaware of pain or noise. Every child with autism is different. Some may have strong skills in music, drawing, or memory, while others may have learning delays. Autism is diagnosed by doctors or specialists who observe a child's behavior, ask about their development, and use screening tools. There is no blood test or scan to confirm autism. Early diagnosis is important so that therapy and support can begin as soon as possible. There is no cure for autism, but support can help children learn, grow, and lead fulfilling lives. Common therapies include behavioral therapy (ABA), teaches skills step by step. Speech therapy helps improve language and communication. Occupational therapy builds daily life skills like eating or writing. Social skills training helps children interact with others. Educational support special learning plans help in schools. Medication not for autism itself, but to manage issues like anxiety or sleep. Family involvement and community support are vital. Parenting a child with autism can be challenging, and families need patience, understanding, and practical help. It's also important to remember that autism is not something to hide or feel ashamed of. People with autism have their own strengths and can succeed in many areas. Famous figures like Dr. Temple Grandin have used their unique minds to achieve great things. According to the World Health Organization, about 1 in 100 children worldwide is on the autism spectrum. Unfortunately, in many places, autism is misunderstood and surrounded by stigma. This must change. Autism is not a disability, it's a different ability. With awareness and support, people with autism can thrive. In summary, autism is a brain-based condition that affects behavior and communication. It is not anyone's fault. Early diagnosis and the right support can help children reach their potential. What they need most is love, understanding, and acceptance. Let's work together to create a society where people with autism are welcomed, supported, and given every opportunity to shine.